get to the top of the throne, you gotta climb up. They can have a seat with us, nah. We ain't gotta look for them, they just gotta find us.
Oh, that's cool. What's up to you two?
Right.
If you got 8 oranges in the bag. Bro said if you got 8 oranges in the bag and you take out 3.
Stop right there.
You taking out 3.
Stop.
Right, go ahead.
Stop. Wait.
Go ahead.
Shout out Thanksgiving edition to our Sunshine Taddy. We on here. Listen,
he
he said you take out 3.
You're taking out 3. If
How
you
many
get 8 oranges,
all right, I know the part.
And I'm telling you to take out 3. He's saying take out 3.
Yeah, how many do you have?
8 from 3 is what?
Not how many is not. Itsyaboyshine, and we back with another one. You already know what to do. Subscribe if you ain't subscribed. Subscribe today, like and comment.
Oh yes it is. Hell yeah. Hell yeah.
And today we back with some more random questions. And today we asking
Big Bird.
We asking Big Bird a couple questions.
Chanel, let's get it.
So the first question for Big Bird is, y'all already know what it is. What is the day before tomorrow?
What's the day before tomorrow? So wait, tomorrow is tomorrow. The day it's today.
The day before tomorrow.
The day before tomorrow is today.
Correct.
I really had to think that out. Oh damn! It's about to get I'm overthinking already. Let's get it.
If you 2 years old and your brother that's younger than you is half your age, and you just turned 100, how old would your brother be?
Wait. I'm 2, right?
If you 2 years old,
I'm already 2. Win.
And your younger brother is half your age.
He's 1.5. He's 1. He's 1. And then I'm 100. How I get 100?
No. I said if you 2 years old and your brother that's younger than you is half your age, how old would your brother be
He's 1.
if you're 100?
He's 50. Wait. I'm 2. Win. My younger brother is half my age. But I'm 100. When I was 2, he was 1. I'm 100. He's 99.
Correct.
Oh, damn.
Correct. You had to break it down. All right.
Let me zip my pockets up.
13 puppies, right? All but 6 died. How many puppies do you have left?
Damn. 13 puppies. All but 6. 6, 7, 8. It's 6 left. All but 6 died. Wait, how many puppies was it?
13 puppies.
It's 13 puppies.
All but 6 died. How many puppies do you have left?
7.
All but 6 died.
7 plus 6 is 13. Wait, 6 and 6 is 12. Plus 1
answer?
is 13. Come on, help me out.
You got an answer?
6. All but 6. I said all
Oh,
but
snap!
6.
I'm thinking about the little pups that's left, the 7 that's left.
You know you might as well be in here, right? Alright. So it's 8 oranges in the bag. You take out 3. How many oranges do you have?
5.
You got 5?
You said you take out what? 8?
I put the camera on.
No, don't put
oh,
the
all right.
Say it again.
You got 8 oranges in the
You got
bag.
8 oranges in the
You're the one
bag.
who said 5.
8 oranges in the bag.
8 oranges in the bag, right?
8 oranges oranges in the bag.
Uh-huh. 8 oranges in the bag.
All right.
You take out 3.
You take out 3 of them oranges. That's from the bag.
So how many oranges do you have?
3.
How many oranges do you have if you got 8 oranges in the bag?
I'm taking out. It's 8 oranges in the bag.
And you take out 3.
And you taking out 3 of them.
So how many oranges do you have?
You want me to help you?
Go ahead, please do.
Yeah, me.
How you have
Because you still have 8.
He said you have 8 oranges in the bag. You take out 3. You're taking out 3.
But you still have 8 regardless.
How do you still have 8 in the bag if you taking out 3?
He didn't say in the bag. He said how much you have.
Oh, you ain't eat. Oh, you ain't. See, why you ain't say all that?
Oh,
It don't matter if you eat it or
You
not.
should have said that.
And you take out 2. How many oranges do you have?
8 oranges in a bag, and I take out 2, like to give away or to eat.
You serious?
But I'm just taking out 2, period.
You taking out 2. And it's how many oranges do you have?
I have 0.
Bro, you should have said
It don't
that.
matter if you eat it or
You
not.
wasn't big. No, you gotta.
But listen, it's
How
8 oranges.
you gotta say the whole thing
It's-
though,
I
bro.
did.
You said you got 8 oranges in the bag,
Yeah,
right?
but how much you have, period?
You
I
take
see
out
what
3.
So you take out 3,
How many oranges?
right?
How many
You
oranges do
taking
you have?
out 3,
Right.
All right,
right?
I'm like,
But he never said
How many
you not
oranges do you have?
eating.
I got
I'm
3
the
oranges.
reason why I said
I got 3 oranges.
Right?
Yeah, you too.
You
So the
said
answer is 3.
I got 3 oranges because I took 3 out.
So wait, listen,
you
hold on.
explain it, though?
I'm
Can you
explaining
explain?
it. I'm explaining it right now.
Can you explain it?
So if it's the cookie jar right here, right?
Okay.
You take out 3 cookies. How many cookies you got?
It was a cookie jar. Depending on how many.
Take out 2. How many do you have?
6, motherfucker.
So if you go put your hand in the cookie jar and you take 2
This
cookies
ain't
out,
got. Alright.
how many cookies you got?
Well, you never said how many was in the cookie jar from the jump.
But I said you go in and put your hand in the cookie jar and you take out 2. How many cookies you got?
I have 2.
So it's 8 oranges in the bag. You take out 2.
Why you ain't say how many cookies is in the cookie jar?
I said you took out 3.
That's the only way that
How
I can
many
give
you-
you an answer is
I-
how many cookies is in the cookie jar.
I said you took out 3.
If you take out 8, bro said if you have 8 oranges. T.I., listen to what your son is saying. No. You all right? We can record. Oh, that's cool. What's up to you two? Well,
Right.
yeah. If you got 8 oranges in the bag, bro said if you got 8 oranges in the bag and you take out 3,
Stop right there.
you taking out 3.
Stop.
Go ahead.
Stop. Wait.
Go ahead.
Shout out Thanksgiving edition to our sunshine Teddy. We on here.
Nisi put in the building.
He said you take out 3.
You're taking out 3. If
How many
if you
many
get 8
got?
oranges,
All right, I know the part
and I'm
eight.
telling you to take out 3. He's saying take
Now,
out
ask-
3.
Yeah, how many do you have?
8 from 3 is what?
Not how many. Not how many in the bag. How many do you have? How many do you
How many
have?
do you have?
It's 3. If you got 3, if you came into
All right,
3
so you
cookies, you only got 3 cookies.
All right, talk about the jar though.
So how many waters did you grab?
No, talk about the jar though, bro. Can you talk about the jar real Wait, hold on, YouTube. Catch this. Tell them about the jar. You said the cookie jar.
Yeah, if
you
it's a
said,
cookie
but you
jar,
ain't
right?
say how many cookies.
It don't
is
matter
in
how
and
many.
Go. That's how
You
it.
took out 3, so you have 3. You how many water
I told
bottles
you
do
the
you have?
answer at the beginning when there was God. I
That's
told you the
bogus,
answer.
man.
If it's 100
I'm
water
gonna let you
bottles,
be great, bro.
listen. If it's 100
I'm
water
gonna let you
bottles,
be great.
how many waters? If you got 1 water, how many water bottles did you grab?
Tell him stop fucking with my head, man.
How many?
That's the trick
You
question,
fucking
yo.
with me,
No.
bro.
Listen.
It's 3
Alright.
water
You
bottles,
fucking
4 water
Here
bottles.
you go. Take one. Take one.
It's 4 water
Take one.
bottles.
How many you got?
3.
How many you got?
Yeah, you got it. Then you got it.
Damn.
I got it. Wait. Oh, YouTube. I got it, YouTube. I was a little slow for 5 seconds.
It's not watching YouTube. It's alright. It goes longer than that. It's alright.
Alright, next.
Alright, it's another question, bro. Alright. I'm smart now. I'm back to being smart now. Alright, T, I'm back.
Arguing with everybody.
Alright, what's the next question?
She's smart now.
I'm smart now.
She's smart now.
Okay, bro.
This Thanksgiving edition.
Go ahead.
Let's get it.
Look.
We're not even supposed to get in.
This better than charade. This better than charade. Look, you heard me? This better than charade.
Oh, yes, it is. Hell yeah. Hell yeah, it is. You talking about you got 8? I tell you take 3, and you say you got 8 now.
Alright, listen. Y'all ready?
You ready?
I think I need to say
You
this.
got 2 cats and 3 rabbits. How many legs do you have?
They hard. These questions new. That's it.
2 cats and 3 rabbits.
How many legs you got?
2 cats and 3 rabbits. How many legs you got?
2. 2?
Yeah.
See?
She's
I'm
smart
smart.
again.
I'm
She's
smart
smart again.
again. I'm
She
smart
got
again.
smart back.
I'm smart again. Did you get that on camera? I'm smart again. I'm smart again.
Bruh.
Alright. Y'all know your ABCs, right?
I think so.
Bruh.
You a big bird.
Alright, y'all know your ABCs, right?
Right.
I think so.
26 letters. I know all 26 letters.
How many letters in the alphabet?
I just said that.
How many?
I'm crying.
ALPHABET. 8.
She had to fuck it up. She had to think. She had to think. Like, hold on, I just said that. No, hold on.
Alright, what's the next one?
Hold up. We should have had that one.
Oh no, hell no.
Alright, y'all ready? If you in a race
If you want to race, you running. Okay.
You running.
Alright.
and you just passed the person in second place,
Okay.
what place are you now in?
Nobody say that.
Don't nobody say nothing.
Alright.
And then she gonna put the spotlight on me.
Come on.
Or
If
say
you
it
in
one
a
more time.
race.
You in a race.
And you running.
You running.
And
You
you
running.
just passed the person in second place.
And you just passed the person that was in second place.
What place are you now in? You just passed the person in second place. What place are you now in?
First? I don't fucking know. First place? First? Ain't nobody gonna give me an answer? First?
Yeah.
First, that's first, right? See? Thank you. Can I get my credit? I get my credit, right? I get my credit.
If you in a race and you just passed the person in second place.
You in first. How? If you just passed this person that's in second place, right?
So you ain't passed the person in first place.
So I just in the last place.
What do you mean by that?
You know what?
How you in last place if you just passed the person in second place?
Listen, bro, listen, you just said, right?
What place are you now in?
I'm still in second. I was slow for another second. I'm back now. I'm back.
You're not slow. It's just,
Oh,
it's
so
just
you
trick
gotta think
questions.
about it,
Yeah, that's all. That's it.
All right.
just
So I
trick
get credit for that one.
Yeah.
He said
All right, y'all ready?
All right, go ahead.
I don't think she still get it.
I'm getting it. Slowly but surely.
You in second place?
All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 of us. We all on the sports team.
Oh, this is Spotlight on Shay tonight. Okay, that's fine.
No,
That's
no,
cool.
no.
No, that's cool though. I like that.
No,
Go
no,
ahead,
no.
bro. Go ahead, bro. I'll take the
You
spotlight.
answered the question. You joined the game.
But I'm gonna take the spotlight though. Go
Okay,
ahead. I like
listen.
that. Go
So
ahead.
listen.
Uh-huh.
There's 5 of us
Put
in
the
this
camera on me,
room.
sis. Okay.
There's 5 of us in this room.
Okay.
Let's get closer to her.
Get closer to me. Come closer to me. Go ahead.
Quiet on the set.
Sound production, take 2.
It's your boy Shine, and we're back with another one.
Gang,
If
gang.
you ain't subscribed, you already know what to do. Subscribe, comment, hit that like button. You already know.
Right now. Not now, but right now.
You feel
Subscribe.
me? Subscribe. So listen, there's 5 of us in this room. We all on the sports team. If the assistant coach has to die, who will be the leader of the team?
If you don't answer this one right, I swear on everything.
All right, I don't.
If the assistant coach
Okay.
is to
Say a
die.
little slower.
What?
Y'all say a little slower.
Okay, if all five of us was
All
on a
five.
sports team
Okay.
and the assistant coach was to die, who would lead the team?
Out of the 5, right? You're not going to tell me.
The coach.
Why you gonna tell me? How? How?
She answering it herself too.
It's the coach.
How?
Because he's the assistant coach. Who's going to coach the assistant?
And he did.
That's
Ain't the assistant did. You just said the
But it's a coach
just
and
said
an
this-
assistant coach. It's 2 coaches.
Bro.
I didn't say the coach died. I said the assistant coach.
Oh, the assistant coach.
Yo, she
oh,
big.
yeah, and then the
She
coach.
big.
Right?
She
Oh, right.
big.
The coach. The coach. I
All
got it.
right, y'all ready?
No,
Next
I'll get
question.
that. I'll get that.
Next
Give me the next
question.
question. Y'all can't make me look stupid on here.
So
I'm
listen.
trying not to. I know the answers. I'm trying to help you
You got
out.
whisper.
No, I need you on this one.
Y'all ready?
Yeah, she ready.
There are 10 copycats on the boat. One jumped off.
Wait, hold up.
How many are left?
Hold on. 10
None.
copycats on the boat. Right? And you said what?
One jumped off.
One jumped off.
How many cats left on the boat?
Who are you?
10 copycats on the boat. No. One, you just
But
said
they-
it was 10
but they
copycats on the
copycat-
boat. One fell off, right?
So how is it 9 if they all copycats?
Ain't nothing on the boat.
You know what?
They copycats.
That was tricky. That was
That was
tricky. Give me
tricky.
another one. Give
That
me
was
another
not
one, bro.
tricky.
Right?
That was not tricky. That was not tricky at all.
I'm ready. I'm ready. I'm ready.
You thought you was. Pineapples.
So-
She ain't ready.
How do you spell off?
OFF.
How do you spell ice?
I heard this before on TikTok.
Just spell
You
it.
trying to trick me. ICE.
We put it together?
Off ice.
Thought you heard it on TikTok.
I did hear it on TikTok.
So you got off ice when you put off and ice together?
Huh?
OFF.
Office.
OFF ice.
You know what? You know what? You said off ice. Why am I dumbass?
I told her about that.
But I'm repeating it. No, because I seen that on
It's
TikTok.
office.
I
It's
told
I
her.
seen that on TikTok. So why are you repeating?
I see her on TikTok. I'm like, fucking up.
Office.
Where you getting these
You
questions
know what
from,
I'm
bro?
talking about?
Which one?
Yeah.
Oh, the eye joke?
Let's get it. Let's get
All
it.
right, hold on.
Let's get it.
It's giving.
Let's get it. Let's get it.
Yeah.
Yo, this show is the bed. This is the bed.
Give us the easy one.
No.
Give me
You got all easy ones. Ain't no easy button on this.
All right, you ready?
All of them
Yeah.
easy.
There was a young boy who was practicing soccer, right? He kicked the ball 10 feet away from him. It comes back to him every time on its own. How did he do it?
Oh, damn.
There was a young boy
He kicked the ball.
practicing soccer.
Practicing.
He kicked the
Kicked the
ball
ball
10 feet away
10
from
feet
him.
away from him.
And it came back to
And
him.
it always came back to him.
How did he do it?
How did he do it?
He kicked it.
To what? Where? How? What? What did he do? How did he do it?
Damn.
He's by his, what? He by
Oh, oh,
He by himself.
oh, I know.
How
You
do it?
say it.
What? I'm
You playing
about
water.
to say. I ain't playing
himself.
myself.
He playing water. He kept kicking the ball to the wall and it kept coming
All right,
back
one
to
more
him.
time, bro.
Alright,
One more
so
time.
she said
One more time.
One more time, bro. One more time, bro. One more time. One more
There
time.
was a young boy
Young boy
practicing soccer.
in soccer.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. He kicked the
By
ball
himself. He kicked the ball
10 feet away from
10
him.
feet away from him.
And
And
it
he was
came
doing
back.
that and it came back by himself.
Every time.
Every time.
How did he do it? Whoa, whoa, whoa.
How did he do it?
No one touched it.
No one touched
He's by himself.
He was by himself.
How did he do it?
How did he do it? How did he do it?
She said wall ball. He hit it against the wall and he came back. What you think?
He was playing dodgeball.
He said soccer. Soccer.
By himself though.
Wait. He was playing dodgeball.
I wasn't ready for that.
I thought she was gonna say he kicked it up the hill. So,
What? That was a good answer, right? Dodgeball, bro.
Wait, what?
the answer is he kicked the ball in the air.
Man, we gonna just say the answer's dodgeball. Little nigga was playing dodgeball. That's what we gonna say. Little nigga was playing dodgeball.
I was kind of close. I had a wall.
I was kind of close.
No, you wasn't nowhere close. At least I was close because I kicked the ball to the wall and it was coming back. I was thinking about wall ball.
Dodgeball, if you hit the ball and do
Dodgeball,
bounce
you gotta
back.
dodge it.
And do bounce back. And do dodge. You gotta dodge.
All right,
That's
y'all
why it's
ready?
called dodgeball.
How you spell top? Both could do it.
Alright,
T.O.P.
T.O.P. man. T.O.P.
Alright, say top 2 times.
Top.
Top 2 times.
No!
You was right on that one.
She saw some top. Like you ain't gonna play me.
Say top 3 times.
Top. Come on, auntie. Top. Top.
Alright,
Alright,
say
wait.
top 4 times.
Top.
Top.
What do you do at a green light?
Stop.
I will now repeat the rules. Green light,
Am I the only one playing?
red light.
What you doing at green light? You go.
Go.
Come on, y'all.
Did you say you stopped at him? I'm crying. Alright, so what's your
I was slow on that one. I was slow. You
was right,
wearing
right.
off on me now.
Let's go.
You wearing off. Where's my brain back?
And she wasn't even saying top.
I said it.
She just said 4 times.
Alright, so I had the answer right?
I was too into.
Yeah, that's what I'm talking about, bro.
I was too busy worried about saying top.
Alright.
Let's get it. I'm ready this time. My brain back on.
I'm
Let-
smarter
let's-
than a 5th grader.
Let's say,
Smarter than a 5th grader.
let's say your mom lives 100 miles away.
Okay.
You driving 50 miles per hour.
Driving 50 miles per hour.
How long did it take you to get to your mom's house?
Yeah.
Let's say your mom's house 100 miles away,
100 miles away.
but you drive 50 miles per hour. How long did it take you to get to your mom's crib?
If you already pushing 50, it's gonna take you 2 hours to get to your mom's crib. You feel me? I get my brain back.
Alright.
Try to get to my mama.
It's a monkey, a donkey,
A monkey, a donkey,
and a gorilla.
and a gorilla.
Monkey, donkey, gorilla.
A monkey,
Racing up a coconut tree. Who
Racing up
gonna
a
get the
coconut
banana
tree.
first?
Monkey, donkey, gorilla.
Racing up a coconut
donkey?
tree.
Monkey, donkey, gorilla.
donkey?
Monkey,
Bro, the donkey?
donkey.
I said a monkey.
A monkey, a
A
donkey,
donkey,
and a
and-
gorilla chasing up a coconut tree.
Who gonna get the
Who
banana?
gonna get to it first?
Who gonna
A
get the
donkey?
banana
A
first?
donkey?
H-O-B
A donkey.
and B-O-C.
The banana out of coconut tree.
Bruh.
Thank you, bro.
Why he ain't on the spot like this?
She is.
Why he ain't on put him on the spot? No,
It's a
put
coconut
it on him. Shoot, he the one
He
that.
just gave you
It's a
the
coconut
answer,
tree.
A banana and a
What type
coconut
of
tree.
banana grow on a coconut tree?
The donkey was good.
Go kick the monkey and the gorilla and get that damn coconut out the banana.
Next
Out
one.
the coconut tree.
Hold up. Next one, bro. Next one, bro.
It climbs trees up?
Alright, it's 5 people.
5 people.
A black person lived in a black
A
house.
black person lived in a black house.
Okay.
A blue person lived in a blue house.
A blue person lived in a blue house.
A red person lived in a red
A
house.
red person lived in a red house.
A yellow person lived in a yellow house.
A yellow person lived in a yellow house.
Who lived in a white house?
Who lived in a white house? The president. Yeah, there you go. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. That was right? Why y'all quiet? I mean, hey! I started it up fifth grade. I said I started it up fifth grader. Hey, I said I'm starting it up fifth grader. Let's go. I got two up on you. What's up?
You still in my brain.
What's up?
All right, shorty.
What's up? Let's go. Let's get it. Let's get it, bro. Let's get it. I'm ready now. Let's get it.
Let's get
Let's
it.
get it. Come on.
So,
What's
we got
up,
some
bro?
more. If I can't get you to say 16, I'll cash out you $5.
I need my cash app right now.
If I can get you to say 16, I'll keep my 5.
All right, go ahead.
All right.
How much I got on my cash?
4 plus 4.
This for everybody, right?
4 plus 4.
Oh, we have to say it.
4 plus 4.
8.
Hey, come over here. Come right here in the video. 3 plus 3.
3 plus 3.
6.
Oh, we gotta say the answers to the. All right, 4 plus 4 is 8. 3 plus 3 is 6.
4 times 4.
4 times 4 is 16.
Come on. 20 plus 20.
40.
30.
Show me your Cash App card.
30 plus 30.
60.
I didn't say 16. I
You
said
said
not to
30.
say 16.
I didn't say 16. No, I didn't. Oh, you want Yo! No! Remember my $5, bro. I didn't even say
You ain't even show your Cash App
No!
Berber.
That's not even
Berber.
right, bro.
Berber. You ain't even show the card.
You said 16.
You said
Bro, I did not. You said
I said it was 30 plus 30.
and I ain't say 16.
Right, you said 16 by saying you ain't say 16.
Oh my God, that ain't even right.
Let's get it.
All right, come on.
Let's get it. Let me put my Cash App back.
Really pull them Cash App?
Yeah,
Oh my God.
Cash App.
So,
time.
all right.
What you got? You got?
There's two trains. Two
trains.
Amtrak trains.
All right.
One going east, one going west. Which way did the smoke go?
South.
I want to hear her answer first.
There's two Amtrak
There's two
trains.
Amtrak trains.
One going east.
One going east, one going west.
One going west.
Where's the smoke going?
Up. Up.
They're Amtrak
East.
trains.
Ain't no smoke
Ain't
on
no
the
smoke on the Amtrak train. It's electric.
Boogie, woogie, woogie.
It's electric.
Why he ain't in this? Why he ain't in this?
No. He in the tuck with it though.
All right. Your mom got 4 kids.
It's 6 of us.
You ready?
Yeah. You stay
Oh,
over
she
here.
gonna come over here.
Next to the
All
smart
right, come
people.
on, come right here, come right here.
I need some of his brain.
So your mom got 4 kids.
Okay. She
North,
actually got 3. She had 3.
north, east, and west.
Okay, go ahead.
What was the last one name?
4 kids, north, east, and west. And what was the what?
What was the last one name? Your mom got 4 kids.
Alright.
North, east, and west. What was the last one name?
South?
And.
Oh,
Yeah, what's the answer then?
And.
Huh?
And.
And what?
And what?
She only had 4 kids.
Right.
Name them kids.
North, east,
And.
west.
You said and.
North,
North,
east,
and
west.
west.
And what?
No, in the
I named 3. Said your mom got 4 kids.
Right.
Your
North-
mama.
Your mom. Your mom got 4 kids.
Okay.
North, east, and west. What was the last one named?
Your mama. She made you.
Okay.
So who's the 4th one? You.
Me.
What's your name? Your mom got 4 kids, north, east, and west. What's the last one named?
You.
Me.
Yeah.
I'm so hard. See, that's crazy. That's crazy.
I'm like, what?
Big Bird.
And
Big Bird.
and was a name.
No.
You said north, east, and west.
Nah.
North, East, and West. That's their name.
See, I thought it was a trick question.
Who was the last one?
It was me.
Big
That was a
Bird.
trick question.
Alright, so what belongs to you that's useful? You might use it, but you never say it, but you hear it every day. And it belongs to you, and it's useful, but you never say it. You might use it, but you never say it, and you hear it every day.
I feel dumb as a log right now.
And you told them, you told me.
A secret.
A secret.
That can't be it. That cannot be it. Hold on.
I was right.
That wasn't even close.
Something that you have.
What's
Something that you
useful?
have
It belongs to you.
belongs to you.
It's yours.
It's mine.
Only you.
Only me.
You use it, but you never say it.
Oh, I already know.
I never see it. I never
Oh,
see
dang. Can I say it?
You said it before.
Is it an
You
adult?
told
it. I
me.
said it before.
It's an adult word.
Like me personally said it.
It's
you
an
just
adult
said it.
word.
You just said it.
It's an adult word. It's like rated R rate. This is a rated R word.
Everything is rated.
So, all right. So, it's mine, right?
It's
Yeah,
useful.
absolutely.
It's useful.
Yeah.
You use it,
I use it,
but you never say it.
but I never say
You
it.
said it today.
Your mama and your daddy gave it to you too.
A coochie?
Yo! I'm done. I am done, yo. I'm done. She said
I don't want to
Did I
say it.
say it?
what is it? Say it.
Your name.
I say my name all
And
the
you
time.
know what? I'm slow because you said you just said it. You just said it. I'm slow.
I say my name all. I don't say
And
my
I
name.
think you told
Say my
them.
name.
What weighs more? A pound of bricks or a pound of feathers?
Why are you looking at me? Why everybody looking at me?
What weighs more, a pound of bricks or a pound of
A
feathers?
pound of feathers.
A pound of bricks weigh more than a pound of feathers.
Why you say pound of bricks weigh more than a pound of feathers?
He asked you a question.
No, you want to hear my answer, so you know my answer.
I don't even know both of y'all answer
First
now.
of all, a brick is heavy. Feathers is light. Oh, what weighs more?
But they both a pound. A pound of bricks or a pound of feathers.
A pound of feathers ain't shit.
But it's a pound. It's a pound. They're both a pound.
Right, stop trying to put me off. The bricks is heavier. What's your answer? A pound of feathers. I'm staying with a pound of bricks. Cause if she right, she gotta go.
I literally said.
He literally said the answer. It's both weigh a pound, so they both weigh the same. So
How?
they both a pound of whatever.
So it's both. So they
It's
both.
still a pound of whatever.
It's still a
So it's
pound.
still
They
the
both a
same.
pound.
Weigh the same.
So either one of us was right. Okay. All right.
Oh, damn.
And he gave what he said. Okay.
Oh,
Get that
damn.
answer. Let me get my
Oh,
own.
damn. Oh, damn.
If you drive a Ford, you build a Ford. What do you eat soup with?
You said what?
You drive a Ford.
A Ford, like a car?
A Ford truck.
Okay.
And you build the fort
Fords?
around you.
Okay.
What do you eat soup with?
I mean, shit, in my house, we
Yeah,
eat
what do you
cereal
eat
with
soup
forks,
with?
but we don't want to eat soup with a spoon.
What do you eat soup with?
Huh?
What do you eat soup with?
I don't eat soup. I'll give you no answer. I don't eat soup. Shit, can't give you no answer on that one.
With a spork.
I said that one. I let it go. They got that right. They got that right. She said a spoon. They said a spoon.
What?
I let that go because I was like, you said a fork and a spoon.
Yeah, I said,
so
in my house, we eat cereal with forks.
The correct answer is a spoon.
See, but in my house, they throw away the spoons. So I'm lucky I ain't say fork.
Yeah, that's my house too.
Because we eat cereal with forks. Let's get it.
Ain't catching no milk.
Let's get it. Ain't catching no milk. You gonna drink that milk. Let's get it.
She said her ass down.
Shit.
All right, from 60 to 69, how many sixes can you count?
What?
From 60 to 69, how many sixes can you count?
10.
That's it.
Because it's 2 6s and 66. So you gotta add that. Wait. 60, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69. It's 11.
Yeah.
It's 11. Y'all, I gotta keep my hands in my pocket. It's 11. I was close. I was one. Oh, wait, I used the wrong fingers. All right, let me take my hands back out of my pocket.
I'm crying.
You said one.
All right.
You still don't get it?
I said one.
What? It's like all them sixes. You got a double six. Double digit six. All right, let's get it.
I know women don't tell their age, but let's see. How old are you? How old are you?
Oh, me? 35.
Ask her next.
29.
Shit, all right.
I need y'all to know because I'm going to ask you a question.
Say no.
Y'all
Say
gonna love this
no.
one.
35.
Oh, she 35. He how old?
35.
Y'all both 35.
35. 35.
43.
43.
Don't look like it.
Not even look like it, right?
Don't look like it.
Don't look like it at all. 43. Does she like
Oh
she
my
43?
God, I'm scared of this one. I'm
All
scared.
right,
I'm
35,
scared.
35, and 43.
43.
How old are you if you were born 5 years ago today? How old would you be today?
Come on. Come on.
If I was born 5 years ago today,
How old would you be today?
Me?
You 35.
From my age? I would be 30.
5 years ago? I'm letting you rock with your answer.
I would be 38.
5 years ago?
No, if I was born 5 years ago, I wouldn't be here. If I was born 5 years ago, I'd be 5. Shit.
That's the answer.
Hey, look, she still don't know how old she is.
I just think your age.
The age
you
you
in.
Yo, so I'm saying, okay, let me zip my pockets back up.
That's the big
Let me
win.
zip my pockets
Now,
back up.
I asked you how old you was, and then I told you you were born 5 years ago. How old?
You said how old? You said how old would you be?
Today, how old would you be today if you was born 5 years ago? You thinking of how old you are
Yeah.
now?
You gonna be born 30 years
I don't think how old I was going to be 5 years ago.
I'm like,
I have put my hands in my pocket.
oh shit. All right.
You gotta laugh for that one.
No moment.
I have put my hands in my pocket.
Why you acting dumb like
got
dumb?
Alright.
Bruh.
How many books
Bruh.
can you put in an empty backpack?
In an empty backpack? Depending on how big the book bag is. The fuck? Right? Depending on how big the bag is. Because if it's a small bag, like you probably put like 2 in here. It depends on how big the bag is.
Well, it depends on how big the bag is. You can put how many books you want in there.
Ask the question
Because if
again.
that bag's small as shit, you cannot put more than 2 in the bag. I'm sorry.
So how many books?
Because
can
you know
put in-
bags can be real small.
So how many books can you put in an empty book bag?
How many books can you put in an empty book bag?
Are you listening to me, bro?
I just want you to give me the answer.
No, I just want you to listen to what I'm saying to you.
Okay.
Okay?
Uh-huh.
I'm going to turn this joint around. You
I'm listening.
Alright. Bro.
Don't start.
It depends on how small or how big the bag is, bro. That's what I'm telling you. It depends. You can't just ask a question like that.
All right. You got an empty book bag, right?
How big or small the bag is.
You got an empty book bag, right?
Empty, right? Am I?
How many books can you put in an empty book bag? Is that the question?
Tion, don't that make sense though?
Why doesn't matter about the size?
It depends on the. That's right. No. Depending on how big or small the bag is, because if the bag small, you
be
can't
so technical?
Cause you got to be. That's how you know the answer. All right, wait, ask again, bro. Ask again, bro.
How many books can you put in an empty book bag?
I don't know, bro. 5, bro. I
think I know it.
10.
One.
Right.
One bag.
It's not empty after you put one book in it.
I second guess myself. I should
Why you didn't? I'm over here like,
oh my god, I think I know it.
Let it out.
I'm like, oh my god, I think I know
Let it
it.
out. She's like, how big is the
I'm
bag?
like, how big is it? It gotta depend on how big the bag is.
Right,
Small
wait,
or the big.
but I'm
But
like,
it's still, the principle is empty bag. So how many books can you put
It
in
don't
an
matter.
empty
You
bag?
say basically you say
It don't matter.
Okay,
but when you
okay.
put one in
it's
it,
empty.
it's not empty anymore.
Okay, I got you.
That's why I said, how many can you fit in there?
Miss Slow Mo was in the building room for a second.
I said, I knew the answer. I did. I said, oh my god, I think I know the answer.
I'm crying.
And she didn't say it, y'all.
All right, but that was good though, right? Bro? That was a good
Yeah,
debate,
that
bro.
was good,
That was a good. Thank
debate.
you,
Yeah,
thank you, bro. Thank you. I worked hard on that. All right, come on, bro. Get another one, bro. Fucking around doing this shit with y'all all night.
Alright, there was a man.
There was a man.
He rode into town
He rode into town
on Friday.
on a Friday.
He stayed for 3
He
days
stayed for 3 days,
and he left
and then he left
on Friday.
on a Friday.
How did he do it?
How did he do it?
He rode into town on a Friday.
He stayed for 3 days
And left
on a Friday.
How did he leave? How did he do it? He flew.
Oh,
No. Let me just think to myself.
How did he do
A
it?
man stayed.
He came into town.
Came
He
into
rode.
town.
No, you say he rode
He
in
rode-
He rode
town
into town,
Rode into town.
and he stayed
He rode into town
on a Friday.
on a
Friday.
Friday, and he stayed for 3 days.
And he left on Friday.
And he left on a Friday. How did he do it? How did he do it? How did he do it? You don't know? How he do
He
it?
rode in.
All the answer
He
is
rode.
he rode.
He didn't drive, so he rode it on a
He
horse.
rode.
He might rode
He
bike.
rode. He rode in.
Cause you can't ride no car. All right, so the one next to car, he either rode it on a horse or he rode a bike on a Friday.
He stayed for 3 days.
He ain't go no damn where.
He left on a Friday.
He was still there
How he
Friday.
do it?
He ain't go nowhere.
How he do it?
He didn't go nowhere.
How did
I
he
just
do
told
it?
you.
How did he do it?
Hey, why he ain't go nowhere?
Why he ain't go nowhere?
He was stuck.
But wait, you were so close though. Like I'm thinking you had to leave. Like
He didn't leave.
you start running and
He
hit the
didn't- he
finish
didn't
line and
leave
then
him.
just was like,
All right, look, he didn't leave.
why?
Bro.
But
he-
wait, I want to figure out why
Alright,
she
go
just
ahead,
stopped
go ahead.
running
Pause.
to the finish line. Like she was like,
Pause.
you said the
Rode
answer.
in
You said
on
the
a
answer.
horse.
That's your answer. And Friday is a horse.
Rode in.
He came into town on Friday. Friday is a horse. And he left. He stayed 3 days and he left on his
On a
horse.
and he left on a Friday.
His horse. On Friday.
Oh. You know what? I'm
Oh wow! I ain't
No, last question. Bonus question. And I'm
No.
out of here.
Bro,
Bonus
Wait.
question and
You
we're
gotta
out of
take it a
here.
little hard.
Wait.
This was
I
supposed. This
still
is
don't get it. How did I answer it right? I still don't get it.
Because the horse
How you
name was
gonna
Friday.
get it?
Oh, the horse name was Friday.
Yes.
He rode in on
What?
Friday. Boom! Yeah!
The horse name was Friday.
I got
So
it.
he wrote on on Friday. Y'all thinking about the weekday Friday.
Yeah.
Got it. I got it. I did that one.
Yeah, you
I
got
did
that
that one on my own.
You got that one. You
Yeah.
got that one.
Because we ain't going nowhere.
So we ain't going
Bonus question.
I had to
Bonus
think because
question.
he said
The
road.
Friday
He didn't
was-
say
yeah,
drive.
I said road.
Road.
That's
So
why I said she
you only
quoted
ride
that
a
when
horse.
she said so horse.
You only
so
ride a
road.
horse or a bike.
Uh-huh.
All right, bro.
All
What's the next one, bro?
All right,
Let's get
bonus question, last question. then we
Let's
outta
get
here.
it. Let's get it. We ain't going nowhere because we coming right back after these messages. We coming right back after these messages. This is Thanksgiving edition.
Thanksgiving edition.
This is limited edition. Let's get it.
How long does it take the Earth to orbit the sun?
What?
Girl, you think
How? What? You
How-
said no. He said it fast.
Bonus question.
Oh. Oh yeah.
all right.
Bonus. What?
He said, bonus. How long does it take the Earth to orbit the sun?
How long does it take to orbit? Wait. Say that again.
How long does it take the Earth to orbit the sun?
How long does it take the Earth to orbit the sun? Wait a minute. I knew this in school. You knew this in school.
Not him.
The science you did. The science you did. Because the Earth rotates around the sun.
Hold on, the
Wait,
Earth
the
is not
sun?
next to the sun, though.
Wait, the sun rotates around the Earth. No, the Earth rotates, period. All right. The orbit is no fucking orbit around no sun.
No, the Earth
Ain't no
orbits.
orbiter.
The Earth orbits the sun. Then it goes around. Orbit.
How long does it take?
But
But it's only 365 days of the year.
I swear she be at the finish line and go fucking cross it. Just cross it. Just cross it.
A year. 1 year. 1 year.
Correct. Correct.
Boom! Oh!
I said the Earth is not next to the
Oh,
sun.
you walked off of me. You dropped the mic and went to left.
What was you going to say?
I said the Earth is not next to the sun, but
I said how long does it take the Earth orbit?
I had to go
orbit
back to
the sun?
elementary school on
Like,
that one.
how long does it take the Earth to go around the sun?
oh yeah.
So 365
See, you should have
days.
stayed in science class.
She even gave an answer.
Bruh. You said she even
Alright,
gave the
you
answer.
two, we out of here with this one, and we'll catch y'all in the next
Gang,
video.
gang.
Gang, gang,
Happy
Thanksgiving style. Happy
Subscribe.
Thanksgiving, gobble, gobble. This
Happy
Thanksgiving
Thanksgiving,
special.
y'all.
What?
A rooster on the roof. Boom. The roof is like this. Boom. He hatched the egg.
It's slick. It
It ain't go
which way was
nowhere.
it?
Nowhere.
How?
Roosters don't lay eggs, man.
She was getting rooster.
What?
Say it again.
Roosters don't lay eggs.
Why don't you just get
Yes,
over
sir.
You know
here?
what?
I'm sorry,
Why?
I was
Why
gonna say,
you don't-
y'all was putting on my nerves.
You don't wanna come to
Y'all thought the egg was in the roof and all
Wait,
that. Like,
so whose one came first, the rooster or the egg?
what?
How did the rooster get here?
Mom, I don't know.
Yeah, you know
They
so
mammals?
much.
I don't know. Don't ask me that
You said
question.
the apples.
They mammals.
He said a rooster was a mammal. So, all right.
Hey.
No, we ain't done with this. Roosters don't lay eggs.
No, it's
How
a
did-
no. It's a no.
Oh,
Oh, I got that wrong.
no, you said roosters are mammals. No. We ain't cutting that. We ain't cutting that, bro.
Oh my
All right,
god.
we ain't cutting that.
Alright, you two,
That
we
was-
out of here with this one for right there. So we'll be back with some more. It's your
That
That
boy
was
Yeah.
Sean.
mind-boggling right there. That was
We have
mind-boggling.
Big Bird and what's your name?
Shayna.
And Shayna.
And my cash
Yeah,
app
that
is
drone
Big
pop
Bird
in the
1102. I need
What's
my $5.
your name, bro?
Shaka. Shaka.
Shaka.
Shaka
Y'all-
Zulu. That
Y'all
know
got
all the
anything y'all
answers.
want to shout yourself out on? If y'all
Y'all
want
make
to?
sure y'all subscribe to his
Yeah, I want to
channel.
shout
You know
out
what
the
I'm saying?
neighborhood
Not
project
now, but
chef.
right now.
Y'all need some
Subscribe.
food. Y'all need some food cook. Come out here.
She get busy in the
I get
kitchen.
busy in the
already
kitchen.
know, so come holler at
She
her.
be
What's your
whipping it
Instagram?
with.
Shout your
Whipping
Instagram
it.
out so they can get to you and follow you. You know what I'm saying?
My Facebook is Nadira Rashad, Smoothie Fountain, Virginia Fountain. Hit me up. Instagram, Twin Fontaine, Teresa Fontaine 37. Hit me up. When y'all want that food, hit me up.
Perch, with that poison.
Don't forget to like and subscribe and
Like
follow.
subscribe.
Yes.
If you ain't
Right
share
now.
it.
You missing
Make
out.
sure you share it. If you don't share
Listen
this,
that content.
if you don't share this,
You ain't gonna know what's going on.
You just
You ain't gonna know what's going on.
You
I already
just shit
checked
out of
all
luck.
the time.
just as confused as us.
It's your boy Shine. We live, subscribe. You already know the vibe. It's the vibe.